If you know about ever too much G8, most of them was who subscribe page no near the master me say me app with Yazuna on sa ebe to maka. If you enjoy bia na ye papa Ibrahim Mahama. Video ebe security ya when a new private jet. Now video no better mountain no. You be say na the first jet no or the birthday. And we say oh or no or the apart for here. I'm a Ghana say find ambulance MOB ya. Ah onumpo account. Now second jet here by and are raising conversations on social media, especially among the MPP. Now, when Okatakyie Afrifa didn't come say he smells a rat in the second private jet because Ibrahim Mahama better jet Biana either said John Mahama a vice president and I said or a president. Into Mahama be a president just within 1 year. Ibrahim Mahama in Yesika enough to buy a second private jet a year over $70 million. And the free franchise say, I was a shame be so. Say, some time ago, during 2016, now Ibrahim Mahama struggled just to get some few money to even establish his cement company. And look up on all the loans and the bills had the company. No, how much more, say, just a few years down the lane, which means over $70 million to buy a second private jet. Sammy Gyamfi so I did some back because and maybe aquabuchiri. I could celebrate women of valor. Now, some women of valor, any other women. And information I better talk on to say, and your good board and the sponsors are going to know. And Ghana for say they can't think far. Looking at the challenges we have in Ghana right now, the crisis and collect the and then Yama and Koye, no more Niente was a good board, a sponsor this thing. Omun near Nanaba Namanu Koye, a betting ya contributed to the economy of Ghana.
Yeti hase ya Yesu Yera John Dramani Mahama Ninua Ibrahim Mahama wakoto private jet. Me waka anwasa mankrofo emuni ya sikutukum na msemanfo we die. Montewe ase in politics perception is equally important as the reality itself. It is here to omaimu ni ase president nua. All of a sudden, 1 year into the administration of the president, so president Inuano akoto private jet $70 million. Na esi ebu nkompoku ye chikohwade. Se onwa na ye adwuma, ye nam ha ye se Ibrahim Mahama osika, na Ibrahim Mahama no esikani, ye nkohwe ni na account mo ebi kura bank bosia no odidi ho. Mumi aso nko adidie. Na mo amba ye be nam ha mo ye na mo esikani, na mo ando esikani. Mo amusika na ne according to report. No dey dada ne hunti Ibrahim Mahama ye kan. If the war yani ade ne cement factory kura wo bi no edi mfie ba de ho no ntimi mie ye bosia bank bosia ana Ibrahim Mahama kwaje ye so de kobie cement factory $200 million kura no nya bi $200 million as a 2016 okobob ne company ni nya bi kura nya sikani $200 million simple $200 million na wontimi nya bi emfa mie ne cement just wo call you a UMB Universal Merchant Bank no akwa bobosia e de akwa ye no agum ne company no insolvent afa yesi say nipa no yenye afa yenhwe pattern no Ibrahim Mahama tiabonten wonye ayida wonto private jet obeto private jet bia na nua ne wa ban as either vice president and now president in 2012 President Mahama yese wo kwa akoto ayi jet de aba mokai Professor Mills die ya yes was settle committees wo mohwehwe President Mahama ne private jet by June 2012 President Mahama was the vice president transitioning to become president. All of a sudden yes Ibrahim Mahama nya sika ultimate $25 million koto private jet ewi a kire kura no na bauxite ni ade ne wo nyina hinyina ye pekwan bi so dia ma Ibrahim Mahama se won transfer nyame amfafie na aba no ye to in wo win 2016 anka no ye de nyina ma Ibrahim so nkonkodidi ho. Afe yasi Ibrahim Mahama ana watimi anya sika akotonam se ne first one woto ye oto 2012 na President Mahama afe wo mako opposition 2016 2017 2018 2019 2020 2021 2022 2023 2024 wantimi anto private jet sika ni wantimi anto 2025 Ninua Babemu as president yesu Ibrahim Asako top private jet na we sikani na order na 2024 and the fa hinti mo bia anka ho asem enti ye ba hwe pattern no sabudi obeto private jet bia nyese onua no Babemu. All of a sudden coincidentally the moment Ibrahim Mahama to on a private jet no ano na Air Force on so anya another jet be from nowhere na Air Force Ghana Air Force wanya is it that private jet ni no obi na person wato no wato ma ne ho ne ya say di we no e bukata say yes private jet bi o wakoto a company ntimi di bi to so na Ibrahim Mahama say ni nua president na engineers and planners take over black voter and sankofa gold projector say me na me nua president and a black voter ne sankofa me de me company akwa gisa the whole concession we free man for nsem a private jet be na me ntimi nto yes we sikani na private jet na wadia wo de yes sankofa black voter ne sankofa concession Emma engineers and planners obenya 70 million akwa top private jet Sammy Gyamfi tuwe mo kai bra nyine hini bauxite Ibrahim Mahama yes wo akwa nyine hini bauxite Sammy Gyamfi na Estin Quebec no wo yes kasamafo saa time ne Kumasi wo yes spokesperson ye ba ya na Ibrahim Mahama ekwaji gold board if it's not the extractive sector no wo mo pese wo de nyina ehye nipa baako ensa wo mo ba ya na Ibrahim Mahama gold board ye de extractive sector no ehye ne ensa se wonye it is Sammy Gyamfi na ekotena so ahwama no it is a gold board no extractive sector ye de Sammy Gyamfi kotena no a wo ye Ibrahim Mahama known boy na say Ibrahim Mahama na control gold board $70 million obenya bi dia top private jet na mo adwene ye mummusa ne se minerals investment deben fund Oba no what won Ibrahim Mahama wonim ne kwa be so a mumusa ne question it is Ibrahim Mahama na control from behind or control gold board from behind or control ye minerals and investment fund where dey obenya 70 million dey koto private jet mummie mo adwene ne mu kakra na Mahama ka asem bi tie Akufo-Addo mummie ntie
barely conflict of interest. The president knows about this, and that's why he says I'm too old to be corrupt, I'm not going to steal your money, because he knew his relatives would steal the money for him. And that's exactly what's happening. He can go to a plush retirement because Ufoyata and Gabi and everybody will look after him. Bamti and Co will all look after him.
Waba ba mu pen. Ani ye nyankola, munim twa yesu enim hwe. Yenim kan yenim sed yesi kirem. President Mahama to anya de wono abesode so kwa akoye corruption. Eden yesu opo obi na ye adwuma, ehye kirema no. Eti President Mahama timi state say Akufo-Addo aban no. Gabi ochere da akon, ani Oforiata ne Bamti mu be wia ma Akufo-Addo. Say President Mahama nim say president bi teso ni nuanum timi wia bi man dia Bamti ne Gabi ne ho will look after him president ti we wonu hankasa wonko wia sika no eti why na wia ma no ye musa President Mahama say why who is wiaing for you now there is a report coming out say private terminal na Magdan eye no Ibrahim Mahama so ye interested whether the private jet the private plane by was so ye interested eti all of a sudden ye seize Magdan private terminal no near farmer no and Boba ye nyina ayetia Monkai se motrain wa first and we are gathering information on it tienie na meka sem kiro Gabi wo kire da ko na eye dia Bamti na eye dia bedi atro na eye dia anka eno de enye eye krono eye kokain na mom jo ma manua na eye nti wo kan ya ahoye a mo adwene enti adwene sei na akwahia ye ebusa ne se yese da mines da mine concession no ababe di state ni ho na ye de ani ehwe so mo de no so beka eye sankofa ne eye black voter de ne ye de aka Ibrahim no eyi ne company engineers and planners no ye de yani ehwe se da mine de no mo de beka ho na omfa nka ho we are here we are watching na o mine ni mu be ye den na fuel akọ 17 cedi na nru ameda sori ye mu se eyi kokonsani minua baako MPP ni baako pa we kokonsani wasikadechi eyi Sammy Gyamfi ni ehwe na Sammy Gyamfi why dey was ye ndisi fo no wo mo num no am say Sammy Gyamfi wo mo num no adai am so Sammy dollar Sammy agrada eni wo mo papa ya agrada asi ntram say men ntiase afem for social media me hwe na Sammy Gyamfi de ne ni ase adan no so wo ba bi ne ho fefefe na ba na moa na B na ABA fine girl Woman of valor is the reason Sammy Gyamfi is being beaten on social media by his own people. Actually, na General Blake Okonsani, no kwatri way by say Gold Board Ministry of Foreign Affairs sponsored Women of Valor sparks anger amongst them say eye ma fefo se wa me here na ba na moa Woman of Valor and ye twitwi makeup ho and ye tena play mu ne ye kwa aburuchiri London. And this is boy. Yes, what go? Abroad, call London. Woman of valor for no call London. Yes, so call London. So ye show. Ye program for women of valor. Yes, a ma wo mujina o muna so mo den a permanent former. And I hear them so. Sammy Gyamfi a gold board no. And what cost sponsor women of valor for. And this for muni ye kutu kwanse na na ba na mo wa ye campaign tia jo mama na oba en odidie. Anu wo ye na nam se antina mboafu yi afi abrantie ye ntie no
NDC mpanyefo Me pamucho your friend is do Madina Zogo Jashi taxi driver. Me pamucho. Tawe na mi sua sandboard. Efro Yarifa. Ebesi ko Accra, me nanti. Ni masa nanti free Accra. Aba Oyarifa. Obi ambisa mi se mi degree wo hin. Tawe na mi sua sandboard abegina kasu. O Zogo Jashi fitiarapa. Ekopim enyime. Obi ambisa mi se mi certificate wo hin. Tawe na mi sika. Acquire stickers, banners. Eko cho Madina market. Any Madina nyina e mama for. Obi ambisa me certificate. Tell na me hunchiri me ye campaign wie. E ka ba eno me to me taxi me no.
Name woman of valor wanswa nanaba na mwa wa fe nanaba mamfa nanim sa nto subio nanaba na mwa NDC as though when they are sponsor women of valor for nanaba beautiful woman abe nanaba na mwa NDC bo mu dia ubati body killing back women of valor
Take down, put it on, break down, put it like you ain't got
women of valor.
Baby, move down, put it on, break down, put it like you ain't got that. Everybody.
Waiting as do I know. I was to say that Jasmine can be binchero.
About the reality on the ground, and they say for every political party, you will more you do to me, and you will more you do mubumai. That truth, no, you should appreciate that truth from the onset. A better truth, and not our party, they are rallier. You will more mutna stage so, and you will more we anima. It's not from where we are. When you are joining a political party, it's a choice, and I think I have to say this today. Oh, join a political party, they are a choice. Whether you are part of Nkofo better days, so, and as a way a part of Nkofo, it's a choice you have to make. Yeah. When you decide, when you make that choice,
Sammy, Nkofo say women na we wamukoi, enya agudie wo. Wamukoi so Sammy Gyamfi was sponsor gold board as sponsor you know. The way a hotel ayi Nkofo ne betua abemu Nkofo ne betua say wa me here abemu Nkofo ne betua wo mu de na menim say no mo ko uplift eye Elizabeth nananu mo sadie yo women of valor de kamu ye show kamba ko ni kumase kama anya ni kumase akamu ko eye asankregwa kamu ko atebubu ho na ma wo amoko empower omo afa de hu say women of valor dey do landing kwasi buro ni krom ko dia di as though what why wanim say yi say ayi na fa ahe ne kosi wo ya do ya dai ya jitu mi awie so as though wo ye hian na mum nana ba the beautiful woman mopa NDC for soldiers mopa munsu ama mutinte se wa me here ne fatal landing nana ba ne fatal landing e ma fefefo ne fatal landing for mo asem nso
Salillahi la ebusia sani ayeka na ayesa agro ayesa nya agro the way a issue me sifa ba no anhwa aye possible say Sammy Gyamfi you bet me in a position as the chairman of the good board. Ebusia, minimum so adventure. Jawa adventure on the comments as mammy. Name who was 5 GNC men for the game. Subscribe my page me. Name me a domain. Send me up with the answer. Or sabit maka. Mediani CK. Macra.